In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cut out the background here in Canva. Now technically, we can't actually go ahead and cut out the background, but there is kind of a little workaround, and we're going to be using Canva Pro features. Now if you want to try out a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, then there will be a link down in the description. Now what we can do from here, we actually have this little image as an example. Let's say we wanted to cut out the background, so we've just got this dog dressed as a unicorn. Now what we're going to do is click onto the image. We're going to come up to edit photo just like this, and what we're going to use is magic grab. Now what this is actually going to do is grab this image from the background, making them both two separate images. So now if we click on magic grab, we're going to give it a few seconds, and now that's done its thing. So now the background has actually been removed from this image, and now we have two separate images from that first image. So this is technically kind of how you can cut out the background here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.